Right, this is a message to Tommy Joyce and his two brothers, Birdie and Johnny. Yeah, you know what it's about. This is Deuces Tom's, boys. You know exactly what it's about. It's been going on long enough now, boys, yeah? So the three of ye have to box. Tommy has to box me, Johnny has to box me brother Daniel, and Birdie has to box me brother Michael, yeah? Get the show on the road, lads. I'm not here to call you no names and none of that shit. It's been going on long enough. The only reason I didn't get back to you before this, because my brother Michael was locked up and my brother Danny was out charges. You know exactly why. So just get back to me now, lads, and we get the show on the road, and we get two neutral fair play men. We go out there and we get it on the road, and that's the end of it. Now, that's it.